Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to copy a table from Word to an Excel file and how to format it in Excel file according to our needs. So here as you can see this is a table in Word file. You can see there are 16 rows. So for example, I want to copy that whole Word file. So what I have to do is I simply have to click here so that everything gets selected. You can see there is a symbol here a crosshair kind of symbol. Here you just have to click and all the word data will be selected. So you just have to right click and copy and then go to your Excel file. For example, this is my Excel file where I want to copy this data and paste it. So here I just have to select the particular row from where it will start. For example, if I select this row, from here the top left corner of the table will start. So here I just have to right click and keep like this. So as you can see, there are two options coming, like keep source formatting. As you can see in my source formatting, there were tables, there were borders of table. And if I go for keep destination formatting, in destination formatting, there are no borders or nothing. Only the data will be pasted in a tabular form in all the cells. So for example, I just want to have this kind of table. Everything that I want, properties of the Word file should come here, the same font, the same text, everything. So I'll keep the source formatting and click here. So as you can see, the data is pasted. But as you can see again here, that these two rows have been consumed by the first row of Word. You can see. So here what you can see is the Excel file, it realizes that there are two different rows altogether. So it has put this complete row into two rows of Excel so that this name and Mr. Mrs. would come in different rows. So these kind of things happen in adjusting the Word data into Excel data. So here what I would do, I cannot simply copy and paste it and show it to my boss or show it as a presentation. So here what I have to do is simply format. So for formatting, I'll select this. I'll just double click so that all the rows take a reasonable size based on the data available in that column. It will adjust itself into that size. So here you can see according to the name, the column has been adjusted, and this column also has been adjusted according to the name. So here if I want to convert it into one row, I have to again do all kinds of things here. For example, I have to insert a row and copy all the data here. So for copying, you can see I have to select individual. Just a minute. Okay, I have to insert here. Just a minute. I have to insert a row, and you can see I have to copy the individual data. I cannot simply click here and copy paste here. It will again merge these two rows into one row. So you can just, I want to show you, if I copy this cell into this cell, it will merge this cell and will delete the data below this row. So I have to undo now. I'll simply select this data only. I'll go inside the cell, select this data, and then copy paste. And similarly, I have to do all these things one by one. For example, percentile, I have to select the data, go here, and again paste. And I'm pressing a Ctrl C and Ctrl V, which you are not able to see. So same here, name, select the data. For example, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, again Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I can delete this two row. So you can see I'll simply select here and select all borders, thick border. So this is how you format in micro level in Excel. So what I mean to say is that after you copy the table from Word and paste it in Excel, it will not directly copy exactly as you want. You have to do some kind of after formatting in Excel as well, because Microsoft Office uses its intelligence to format it as much as possible, but finally you have to do some minor editing or minor formatting in Excel as well to make it presentable in front of your bosses or wherever you want to present. So don't simply copy and paste it in Excel and think that okay, everything is all right, and that is so simple. It's not like that. You have to again little bit format in Excel as well to make it more presentable or make it more readable in Excel. So friend, this is how you copy and paste a table from Word to Excel. So I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos which will help you in your daily work life. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.